Hey everyone, in this video I will explain few solutions to fix Roblox error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your task manager and make sure if Roblox is running in the background, then you need to close it. Open up your search bar and type in there %local app data % and hit enter. In here, look for temp folder and open it up. Then find Roblox folder and delete it. You don't need to worry, it's not going to affect your account or games. If the last solution didn't work, then try the next one. Next, we need to optimize Roblox player. So to do that, right click on Roblox player on your desktop, then click on properties. On the top, click on compatibility tab and make sure to check this option. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. After that, check disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Once you're done, click on apply and OK. If none of the solution worked for you, then you can uninstall Roblox from our computer. So to do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up Run. Type in there appwiz.cpl and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here you need to uninstall the Roblox player and Roblox Studio. So just select them one by one and click on uninstall. After that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox, as Microsoft Store version is more stable. Once the download is completed, so just click on play and log into your account and try. Hopefully it should be working fine. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.